we are in Finn's room right now. This video isn't necessary.
Somebody is talking on our channel.
And me and him have been using this. And it's just insane. If we just wait here, we'll talk about Pokemon and put the walkie-talkies right here. So when we hear people talking, we will just shoot it over to you. Okay, Finn, walkie-talkie.
That's us calling.
Yeah.
You didn't notice.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about Pokemon and baseball and basketball, all that crap. And so we'll sit here. We'll have the camera facing right here. Okay, I'm gonna be sitting over here. We will somehow get you guys up. Actually, we'll just have you guys up right here. That's good. Let's see, can you guys see us? Yeah, you guys can. Okay, sorry about this. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna be talking about stuff, and when we hear people talking, we will. It's gonna get weird here. We'll switch these sets. Spins on that side and on this side. So might just wait, grab some things like just a couple of Pokemon stuff right here. And I don't know why I'm just grabbing it. Did you get this from Jane? That did. Oh. Okay, wait, who did it, what? He got that. From what? From a booster pack or a booster box. Or booster pack. I don't know what it is. Okay, man. I don't know. Okay, so we got a Salaman's V right here. You want to see? Actually, that's my brother's. Yeah, it's his brother's. Got Salaman's V. We are the if you know how to say that, let us know in the comments. We need to do our channel name. Yeah, we don't know. Hat Mingo or what? The Amigos. What? The Amigos. The Amigos. So we got Starvia, which is a bird. Fly away, bird. Fly away. We got a Larvitar. You can't see that. Whose favorite Pokemon is Larvitar? Because I know it's not mine. This is our V. I don't know why it's not I have the V Max of this. Then I have the Rainbow Rare of this. And we will show you this in another video. That's a lot. And it has a lot of texture too. Got less full on.
Oh, I found my hidden faith card.
Oh, you did? Mm-hmm. Got Venusaur and Celebi. That did not like that. Tapu Koko. Great. And we have Clink. One sec. We will be right back. We got a Lunala gold card, which we did not show. Got a Shining Arceus. We got Clamorant V. Mewtwo GX. What? Ow, what the crap? Finley wants me? Okay, I guess nobody wants me.
Izzy wants you.
Not too bad.
And Izzy is our friend, so...
Yeah, and Mac. We're kind of
filming
right now.
We are trying... What?
We're filming right now, Mac, so we kind of need you to leave.
It's not your house.
No, just this room.
Yeah. No, but Izzy and them are here.
Cool. Just tell them
we
got Dragonite EX.
Tell them we are
Turtonator GX.
To hear the voices.
Yeah, and that's Declan's cards. What are you doing with his cards?
Because we don't have any Pokemon GXs right now.
Camera DX. I don't know what they're doing.
Probably can't even see your
code card.
Max, stop.
Woo woo.
Sorry, guys.
I'm calling Deck.
Sorry, guys. This is my annoying sister.
You're annoying.
So, I can't say that.
What is it?
Calling Deck.
A Squasmakataka.
And then we got Big Charm, which these are decks, and Deck will be on the channel someday. I know, but he's Snorlax is in Rebel Clash. That's odd. It really is odd. And
It's in Darkness Ablaze too, I think.
Darkness Ablaze.
Lemberry. Crookie.
Tell us what you want us to do in...
One of the new Pokemon. Again, a new Pokemon.
A Frogadier. Froakie, I mean.
A rare candy.
A rare candy, which is 5 years old.
Altaria EX. Not full art.
You guys need to watch Hamilton. It's the best.
I've never seen it. Torkoal V, which is kind of weird because there's seriously a tornado in the back. A Alolan Golem GX.
And just so you know, we are LDS.
Correct though? Yeah. Chansey. Nidorino.
Can I tell them something really sad?
Yes.
So on January 7th, close to my birthday is January 11th. My dog, she died. I don't even know her name now.
Yeah, we just got all these random other cards. I don't know what they're doing here.
Yeah.
But now we're going to be showing you...
I don't know why nobody is doing...
I don't know.
Oh, do we have bad internet up here? Or bad reception?
No, because we're really close to radio towers. Energy, execute. Versatile Shroomish.
I'm gonna say, Alexa,
Misty's June.
play Alexander Hamilton. I'm just gonna do one song, so you guys know.
Voltorb.
Do you want to hear Alexander Hamilton?
Yes.
Trumbeak. I can't.
Shuffling songs by Alexander Hamilton on Amazon Music.
Magic Carp. My favorite Pokemon is Gyarados, as you can tell.
Why is it my... Sorry guys, this is not Hamilton. Alexa, play Alexander Hamilton.
Alexander Hamilton by Leslie Odom Jr., Anthony Ramos, and others on Amazon
Now
Music.
this is the song. But never orphan, son of a whore and a Scotsman, dropped in the middle of the forgotten spot.
The Caribbean by providence and poverty and squalor.
The play is technically just a whole song combined.
The $10 found a father without a father, got a lot farther by working a lot harder, by being a lot smarter, by
Do you
being
have any other Pokeballs that you just want to dent?
They placed him in charge of the trading charter.
And every day while slaves were being slaughtered and carted away across the waves, he struggled and kept his guard up. Inside he was longing for something to be a part of. The brother was ready to beg, steal, borrow, or barter.
Then a hurricane came, devastation reigned. A man saw his future dripping down the drain. The purpose of his temple connected into his brain, and he wrote his first refrain, a testament to his pain. This kid is insane, man. Look up a collection just to send him to the mainland. Get your education, don't forget from whence you came. And the world's gonna know your name. What's your name, man? Alexander Hamilton.
Why isn't anything popping up?
Alexander Hamilton.
I think they got it all.
There's a million things I haven't done. Just you wait, just you wait.
When he was 10, his father's plate full of it, debt-ridden. 2 years later, Sir Alex and his mother bedridden, half dead, sitting in their own sick, they sent sick. And Alex got better, and his mother went whack.
Which cousin committed suicide.
This you can fix?
Yeah, but it has nothing in it.
Saying Alex, he got a friend for his son. He started retreating and reading every treatise on the shelf. There would be nothing left to do for someone less astute. He would have been dead, destitute, without a cent of restitution. Started working for his late mother's landlord, drinking sugar cane and rum and all the things he can't afford. Scamming for every book he can get his hands on. Ready for the rich to see him now as he stands.
Okay, so Alexa, stop. So
Yeah, we didn't hear anything.
we did not hear anything, so
We will
be
deleting this video.
yeah. So probably in a while. Dun 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 dun. I wish something was gonna pump those things.
But bye. Say bye-bye.
See ya, Tia.
And then, of course, move the binder. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Dun, 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 dun,
Still.
Okay. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye. Actually, we forgot something. Please subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell, and
You will win something cool.
Yeah, we don't know for sure, but say bye-bye. Oh my gosh, dude!
Holy.
At the end of the video.
Dude,
Oh my
insane.
gosh, that is insane.
We don't have any.
We don't have anything. Look, both hands. Hand number 1, hand number 2. Hand number 1, hand number 2. Nobody's there.
No one. There's
Oh
like
my
only 2
gosh.
walkie-talkies. I will
Oh
speak.
my gosh.
Hello. Hello.
Oh my
Please talk if
gosh.
you can hear.
Oh my gosh. At the end of the video.
Holy mother duck.
Oh my
That's insane.
gosh, that creeped me out.
Holy.
Okay, anyway, so you guys will win something big if you subscribe down below.
Yeah, but I don't know if this is the end of the video now.
Same. We will
Should
keep
it?
you updated if we do. Because my dad's phone is going to die.
Yeah.
So, that was kind of weird. So we will see you all in the next video. Bye. For now.